Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our book review for Around the Corner Crochet Borders by Edie Eckman. This is a great book. It was the first book I bought, my first crochet border book. I got it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box below. It is a really great book. I liked it because it has so many borders inside. Not really sure how many. 149. So 149 borders, and they all have a chart and the written instructions, and they also tell you the chain, like the foundation, the number of stitches the pattern should be. It has to be a multiple of whatever to start the border. So I found that very interesting as well. And they have a ton of different borders in here. Right? I mean, they're really pretty. So this book is also really great. It's nice that the size of it is cute. It's paperback, and the size is cute because you can like put it in your whip basket or put it in your big handbag. It is pretty great. So they have some tips at the front of how to make your work look tidy along the edge. So you know how to make your edge with the same color so that your messy stitches are hiding. And maintaining a flat edge, not putting in too many stitches. Stitch count math, that's interesting. And counting around the corner so you know where your corners are, working into the corner, joining with your needle if you want it to look really fancy on the edge. Just some good tips and tricks at the beginning of the book. Troubleshooting so things are flat, and we get into the edges. Isn't that beautiful? Photography is so pretty. So just to flip through, so this is a typical page. They're all pretty much like this. So you have a picture, you can totally see what you're up to, and then there's also the chart and the colors, what yarn is used. So it has yarn color legend on the side, so you can be like, okay, well the black is the base round, and then you know, you can get an idea, which is handy for the larger borders. And it has tips if it looks like to help fix that border, or if you're having a problem with it, and the multiple you need your work to be for that border to fit perfectly. And there is so many borders in here. It is amazing. The colors are great. The photography is so beautiful. There's a border for everything in here. How pretty is that? Like, how pretty is that? It's so pretty. So that is the really good things about this book. It is a beautiful book, definitely worth having in your library. This is a great book, and I hope you add it to your library soon. So this is a super great book. It has everything you need in it. It's small and compact. It has beautiful pictures. It has charts, it has written instructions, and it has 149 borders, which is a great deal. So check it out on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box below. And if you have any questions or you have a favorite border book, leave it in the comments box below. I'd love to know what your favorite crochet books are so that I can grab those as well. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and videos like this, consider hitting the subscribe button and joining our community on Instagram, Facebook, Ravelry. And thank you so much for watching. Stay hooked. Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our book review for Around the Corner Crochet Borders by Edie Eckman.